Let's welcome Agrima Joshua.
So my full name is Agrima Joshua. Yes, you've guessed it right. I am Christian, but I'm not from Kerala or Goa. Because Jesus is not like Feni only to be found in coastal areas. Sometimes he's from dry states like Bihar. Stop feeling bad for me. I'm not from Bihar. Look at her. Just feeling bad. You know, I'm from UP. I am so glad everybody in the audience is Indian because I see two white people. I start panicking. इनको मैं UP कैसे समझाऊं? But I have that covered. I go like, sir, UP is the Texas of India. You know how you have cowboys in Texas? Same. They just take that job description more seriously. Then they go like, you know how every time everybody carries guns in Texas? Same UP. You know how every time they show an alien encounter happening in a movie, it's always in a desert in Texas? Yeah, same in UP, except they're not alien encounters, just encounters. So UP में ऐसा लोग हैं because we are a product of the world's greatest marketing campaign. Missionary work. Like I could be Goan Catholic, but no, I am Isai from Gomti Nagar, Lucknow. You know what the best thing about Gomti Nagar, Lucknow is? There's a Harley Davidson showroom over there. Yeah, I know they're excited about that. And it's pointless. क्योंकि मेरे जिले के लोग सिर्फ रिक्शा चलाते हैं. उनके लाइफ में एम्बिशन है तो वो रिक्शा यहाँ आके चलाते हैं. क्योंकि यहाँ रिक्शे में मोटर है. Like on Sundays when Goan Catholics are going to church in the Kawasaki Ninjas and Harley Davidsons, my people are going up a hill to Girja Ghar in a cycle rickshaw. And even then my aunt is going like, भैया थोड़ा धीमा चलाइए पीछे से बिटिया गिर रही है. That joke is so unfair. I wrote that 3 years ago. See, because we've made progress, okay, in UP. We've progressed to the e-rickshaw. It's the perfect vehicle for the millennial. It has no doors and it goes at the speed of somebody walking. It's perfect for the Kiki challenge. और यूपी में ना हर चीज़ रीब्रांड कर रखी है उन्होंने ईसाई के बारे में. जैसे कि चर्च नहीं गिरजाघर, वहाँ पे अकॉर्डियन नहीं बजता है, वहाँ पे बजता है हारमोनियम, ढोलक और तबले के साथ. और हमारे जो प्रीस्ट होते हैं ना, उनको हम फादर नहीं बोलते, उनको बोलते हैं पादरी जी. और हमारे पादरी का नाम डिमेलो डिक्रूज नहीं, हमारे पादरी का नाम था अफजल चरण. हाँ, इसका नाम एक बार अफजल चरण ने गिरजाघर में भजन गवा दी, किसी को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ा. He just went like अगला तराना जो हम गाएंगे वो होगा रघुपति राघव राजा राम की धुन में. मतलब योगी आदित्यनाथ की सीना वहाँ पे आती है घर वापसी कराने, वो लोग बोलते हैं ये तो अपने ही लोग हैं यार, वापस चलो. तो मैं जब महाराष्ट्र में चल रही होती ना, तो मैं अपनी हैसियत से वाकिफ़ रहती हूँ हमेशा, कि मुझे पहली आइडेंटिटी मेरी है कि मैं भैया हूँ. तो मैं गाड़ी चला रही होती है एंड इफ द कॉप स्टॉप मी राइट, आई स्टार्ट पैनिकिंग. मैं जितनी मराठी होती सब बोल डालती हूँ. मला मराठी थोड येतं, मला मराठी येत नाही, तुम्ही डायल केलेला नंबर अस्तित्वात नाही. सो चलो मुद्दे की बात करते हैं अभी. आई रिसेंटली लॉस्ट अ फ्रेंड. I did, dude. He was suffocating. He's died of suffocation because he was holding his breath for अच्छे दिन. I'm allowed to do that joke. I'll tell you, I'm allowed to do that joke because my dad was in the army. No, because my dad was in the army. He was there for 25 years. 5 years he served in Jammu and Kashmir. Survived a bullet over there. So every year on Republic Day, Army Day, Independence Day, I write a long note saying thank you for your sacrifices, and I send it to Akshay Kumar for using soldiers to sell Kajaria tiles. Just no, I think that joke is also unfair. It's so unfair because he's done some. I think Akshay Kumar has been doing some great work for the BJP. देखो मेरे को इस सरकार पर पूरा भरोसा था, लेकिन क्या किया ना, हमारी गलती हमारी है एक्चुअली. हमने उनको 2 साल देने थे, सड़कें बन जाती, मेट्रो बन जाती, जीडीपी ग्रोथ डबल डिजिट हो जाती, गुड़गांव शंघाई बन जाता. लेकिन हमने क्या किया, हमने दिए उनको 5 साल. वो लोग 5 साल देखे, उन्होंने बोला थोड़ा टाइम पास तो कर ही सकते हैं यार, तो अभी मेट्रो नहीं मंदिर बनाएंगे. हाँ, सनी लियोन का सेक्स टेप बैन करेंगे, हार्दिक पटेल का सेक्स टेप बनाएंगे और गुड़गांव को गुड़ग्राम कर देंगे. वाह, वर्स्ट 10-year चैलेंज एवर. See, as a tax-paying citizen, right, of this country, I'm allowed to ask, no, कि why are you using my money to make Hardik Patel's sex tape? Right? मतलब शशि थरूर का किधर है? honest, as the elections come closer, they have started postponing everything amazing to 2022. Oh ho, मजे ही आ जाएंगे 2022 में. क्या lit होने वाला है 2022. To 2022 में ना कोई पैदल नहीं चलेगा. सब जाएंगे भाजी खरीदने हाइपर लूप में. मोदी जी यूएस की यात्रा नहीं मंगल यात्रा करेंगे इलॉन मस्क के साथ. I know that joke doesn't have mass appeal, it has Mars appeal, but it's just. And I'm already psyched about the next big thing they're going to do in Maharashtra, in Mumbai. Anybody heard about this amazing thing they're going to do in Mumbai? Again, it's going to come out in 2022. The Shivaji statue. Yeah, I'm psyched about it. I wanted to go know about it. I wanted to read about it. So I went to the most authentic source of news on the internet. कोरा. वहाँ पे किसी ने निबंध लिख रखा है. This Shivaji statue is amazing masterstroke by a Prime Minister Modi ji. It will have solar cells which will power all of Maharashtra. दूसरा बंदा है, उसने सोचा ये क्रिएटिविटी कॉन्टेस्ट है. तो उसने सोचा yes. It will also have GPS trackers and it will shoot laser rays out of its eyes to kill Pakistani terrorists in the Arabian Sea. तीसरा बंदा आया, guys, please get your facts right. सबसे समझदार. Please get your facts right. It's not Shivaji, it's Shivaji Maharaj. मैंने उसी को follow किया. I hate doing political comedy. I should tell you that. I should be upfront about it. I hate doing it. बट क्या होता है ना, कॉमेडी वेन्यू पे ना 2 सीनियर कॉमिक्स खड़े रहते हैं. बोलते दो मोदी पे 2 जोक बोल वरना अंदर नहीं आने देंगे. ओके, सो आई विल टेल अ जोक अबाउट माई लाइफ. When are these girls going to start doing important comedy? So I'll write a joke about my life. Okay, sir, you look like you'll relate. Okay, so I'll tell you a joke about my life, and you guys are ready to listen to that? Yeah? Fuck boys must be aerodynamic because they're always flying away. No, this is not important comedy, Agrima. When are these girls going to start talking about important things? When will you speak truth to power? So I go, बात तो सही कह रहा है. तो मैं घर जाके सेकंड ड्राफ्ट लिखती हूँ जोक का और अगले दिन प्रॉपरली करती हूँ with speaking truth to power. So I just go like, fuck boys must be aerodynamic because they're always flying away. Just like Modi ji. Oh, Agrima's comedy is so important for this world right now. Oh. Hi guys, hi. First of all, clap for yourselves. I am so glad to see young people in the audience because as a paid female comedian, the only gigs I get are kitty party aunties. And they're always like, beta, dildo bolo, dildo, very nice. Bachya kya bold hai? And I don't want to talk about dildos all the time. Fuck that.